Complaining and posting on social media does nothing. It is very often that I see students either complain about different things that they don't like happening on this campus, or I see my peers post about different policies or different initiatives that they don't like happening in the federal government. But these people aren't actually taking action to make changes happen. So today, I'm going to be discussing how I think it is best for you to get your voice heard on this campus, as well as how taking these actions to make changes happen actually aligns with how our democracy works in the real world. Now, I understand that it can be very fun to gossip with your friends about how you don't like this on campus or you don't like this on campus, but that is completely ineffective, as your voice is not really getting heard. A way that you can get your voice heard, however, is through joining programs like student government. Being a member of student government, I don't like that student government is not known among the student body as much as it should be. So I'm trying to use my voice right now through being a senator and making an initiative to put cardboard triangular pamphlets on every single dining hall table so students, while they're eating their delicious food, can actually read about student government and learn how they can better use their voice just like you. However, if student government membership is not for you, student government meetings are actually open to the public. And there are two opportunities for students to use their voice at meetings. There is Open Student Forum 1 and Open Student Forum 2. And these are open conversations. So this is a perfect time for you to be like, hey, I don't like that this is happening on campus, student government. Or hey, I have this really genius idea, student government. Help me implement this. Overall, student government is a great way for you to get your voice heard on this campus. But student government does not really fulfill your entire life, as it only fulfills your college experience. So it is important to use these skills of actually taking action to make changes in our democracy. In light of recent events, I have seen several of my peers post about how, hey, I don't like these gun policies, or hey, we need these gun policies to be changed. But they're actually not making anything happen through just posting that. That is not using their voice to their full potential. It is only proving to their peers that, hey, I'm one of the good ones. I don't like that these gun policies are making this happen. But that is not the point. The point is to actually try to make change. And some ways that you can make changes are, you can either actually go to polling stations and vote, or you can go to local city council meetings, or go to local government meetings and work in your small communities first. And lastly, you can potentially become a politician yourself and make the legislation yourself. Overall, it is very important for you to not comply with your peers. You need to be your own voice. And how you do that is getting involved either on your campus or getting involved in your community and using your voice to its full potential. Stop proving and start doing.